Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are doing great, and again welcome back to my channel. Guys, if you want to speak English fluently with confidently, then you will have to be become consistent in this language. Without consistent, you cannot speak this language fluently. And for this, what you have to do daily, you have to do practice, and you have to speak daily, and you have to think in English. Unless you speak this language and you speak this language, then you cannot speak this language fluently. You have to think this language in English. In English. Without thinking in English, you cannot speak. You can think small sentences in the initial stage. If you are beginner, you can think in you have to think in English, and you have to speak simple sentences, and you have to become consistent, and you have to commitment yourself कि next 30 days I will do practice 10 to 15 minutes daily, and I will try to speak. Until you speak this language, you cannot be fluent, and you have to indulge yourself in English. You have to indulge your thinking in English. You have to make such a friend who speak in English, and you have to make friend around you who speak in English. Without speaking, you cannot be fluent, and then you have to become consistent, and you have to listen English movies. You have to you have to watch English movies. You have to read English book. You have to speak English daily in front of mirror. You have to daily practice in front of mirror. Unless you do practice, you cannot be fluent in this language. So I hope you will be understand what I am saying. In If you want to be fluent in this language, you have to become fluent in this. I am telling you again and again. So I hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care, keep learning, keep practicing, and have fun. Thank you.